Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add Google Gemini to your Google Chrome browser address bar. Google Gemini is just an AI chatbot which is for Google, and AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Cloud, which Gemini is for Google. I'm going to show you how to access it easy on Google Chrome. So now just go to your address bar and on your keyboard press Shift then at. So to just bring your at key, now you can see we have here Gemini at history, at bookmarks, at Gemini. So you select at Gemini, so click on that. Right, so now you can see it says what? Enter a question. Now whatever question that you have, you now input it. So let's say, what is computer? Right, so you now enter. Right, so once you just click on this, it now takes you straight to Gemini chatbot. Now you can start your conversation with it. So whatever that you want, you can just start with. So just as I asked what is a computer, as you can see, it has given me the output. So this is the question here, what is a computer? And then so if you scroll down, you can see it gives me the nitty-gritties of a computer. From the first question, you can just continue asking your question, whatever question that you have. So that is just how easy and simple it is to access Google Gemini on a Google Chrome browser. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.